Welcome back, guys, and we're just carrying on from the previous episode of chamfering, and this time we're going to talk about extrusion. So you've actually done extrusion before when you were fixing the hole in the cube earlier, remember? Where you were holding shift and pulling up new geometry and then you were welding them together. That is known as extrusion. Now, let's just say, well, let's just use this actually. So this cube, now let's turn it into something. So if you go to polygon or face, and let's just select the top 5. So control, click, 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 click. So you see what I did there. If I double clicked it, nothing happens. If I hold control, still nothing happens. What you can do is you can just drag it and then select it. But mind you, you need to be careful with these. Sometimes you might click it without even realizing, so let's get rid of these. A good way to check also is just to check into it's called it's like a ghost form. So the shortcut is Alt X, and that it basically makes it see-through and transparent. So it's a good way just to double check. So for example, if I had a vert here which I accidentally selected, I can be like, oh yeah, of course I accidentally selected that, so we can unselect that. So to go back into not standard form, we can hold Alt X again, and that'll take you back. So now what we can do is, since we're on polygon face and we press settings for extrude, if you press the settings, as you can see, look, it's come up. So once again, we can go, let's go down, and then as you can see, we can scale it up and down. So let's go with this for now. Here are some more options, and generally just like these do other things, but always keep on group, it's just easier. So here's a good shape. And then let's carry on, and then let's go to the bottom and select just the edge ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we press the setting bar again, as you can see, it's saved our number. 22.83 is the same as the stand on the back. So now, but let's just say that's not what we want. We can make that a bit smaller. 16 is a good number. So look, without much to little effort, we've essentially created a chair. It's a big chair, but you know, it's a good start for a learning zone. And then we can, if we really want to, we can, you know, take it back out and scale it externally. So yeah, that is the basic form of extrusion and chamfering.